In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a subtask into a task in Asana. Keeping your task management system organized is vital for productivity, and knowing how to effectively manage and adjust your tasks can make a world of difference. Let's dive right in. First, begin by opening Asana and navigating to the task where your subtask is currently located. This will bring up the Details panel on the right side of your screen. It's designed to give you all the information and options related to that task in one convenient spot. Once there, you'll want to scroll down to find the Subtasks section. This is where you'll see a list of all subtasks that are associated with the main task. Think of this section as a mini default assortment of tasks that contribute to completing the primary objective. Now, focusing on this list, you'll be able to identify the subtask that you wish to convert into a standalone task. To do this, position your mouse over the subtask's name. Here's a neat little trick. As you hover over the left side of the subtask, you'll notice that your cursor transforms into a hand. This change indicates that you're ready to interact with that subtask in a more significant way. With the hand cursor visible, click and hold your mouse button and begin to drag the subtask away from its current position. As you drag it towards the main task list, know that this movement is going to convert that subtask into an independent task. The action is as simple as it sounds, but effective in relocating and recategorizing your task. Release the subtask into the main task list where you'd like it to live as a standalone task. It's as easy as that. Voila! You've successfully turned a subtask into a task. With this method, you can better prioritize and organize the tasks within your projects, ensuring that each item gets the attention it requires based on its current significance. This seamless drag and drop feature within Asana is incredibly user-friendly and is just one of the many capabilities that make Asana a powerful tool for project management. Getting comfortable with maneuvers like this can significantly enhance your workflow and task organization. And that's all there is to it. With practice, this process will become second nature, aiding you in keeping your projects streamlined and efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more handy tips and techniques.